Forms are everywhere. You see them in event registrations, job applications, feedback surveys, you name it. Here's the problem. Most forms don't get filled out. They're too long, too hard to access, or just easy to ignore. And every missed response, well, that's a lost lead, a missed insight, or opportunity gone. Because the truth is, the more steps people need to take, the less likely they are to take action. So what if you could remove those steps completely? Introducing Tigerform, an online form builder that lets you create QR code powered forms so people can access and answer instantly with just one scan. No links, no friction, just fast responses. And now creating forms is even faster with AI mode. Instead of building from scratch, you can simply type what you need, and Tigerform will generate a complete form for you in seconds, from questions to structure, even suggested fields. It's perfect if you don't know where to start or if you just want to move faster. Of course, you still have full control when building your forms. Now, under the Common Fields tab, you can start by choosing the form's language, typing a title and description, and then adding the fields that you need. Now, you can put basic fields that let respondents fill in their name, address, mobile number, gender, and email address. Also choices that further customize the form with a title, description, calendar time, short text, and long text. There's also general fields, and they let you add single option, multiple level select, checklist, location, signature, number, and a sheet. The multimedia fields, they let you add audio, documents, pictures, and videos to the form to make it more interactive. Now, the preview icon lets you see your edits in real time, so you can ensure that everything looks perfect before you publish your form. And once you're done building your Tigerform, click Generate QR Code to customize the look of the QR code that you're going to be presenting to your respondents. So you want to choose a pattern, adjust the eyes, select colors, add a logo, apply a frame and a CTA phrase, or you can choose a design from the templates. Then click Export QR Code to download it in different formats. You can export a single QR code in a zip file for use in brochures or print materials, or download multiple QR codes on one page for bulk printing. Just select your paper size and how many QR codes you want per page. Click Export to download your Tigerform QR code. And now you can print and distribute your QR code. Now, you need something more interactive. Tigerform now comes with Quiz Mode. Just toggle the Quiz Mode button and you can create quizzes, assessments, or evaluations with automatic checking and scoring built in. Perfect for educators, trainers, HR teams, or even events that need quick engagement. Now, all your forms and responses are managed in one dashboard. You can view submissions, edit your form anytime, and export your data for reporting. And yes, even if your form is already live, your updates reflect instantly. We also encourage users to practice safe and responsible form building, since privacy and security are a core priority. Avoid asking for sensitive information like passwords, OTPs, or highly confidential personal details through your forms. Because at Tigerform, user digital safety always comes first. So, whether you're running events, teaching a class, hiring talent, or collecting customer feedback, Tigerform helps you get more responses by making forms easier to access and complete. Create smarter forms faster with Tigerform. Go to the link on your screen or check the description below to start your free trial today. Tigerform, your all-in-one form builder powered by QR Tiger.